Namaste. Good morning, children. Yes, welcome to PE body stretching exercise. Yes, today I will take stretching exercise. Okay, your body stretching for the exercise and your flexibility and mobility. You should be improved. You're stretching for the your whole body. Yes, toe to head. You should be stretching your muscles and inside the muscles you should be stretched and good effective of your stretchings. Okay, this is the flexibility exercise for the as usual 6 exercise. Before you start exercise, stretching exercise, little warm up you can practice to home and do stretching exercise. Okay, that is the good. Yes, this is only for the count. Okay, 10 count or 20 count, your wish. 10 or 20 counts you can practice for the each exercise. Okay, children. Yes, ready? Yes, first one, standing TFL stretch. Okay, standing, first one as usual 6 exercise, standing TFL stretches. First one, stand and position, nicely stand. TFL means head to toe, you can stretch your body. Yes, first right leg over, cross the leg for the left leg and nicely stand. Balance your body above the head, both the hands rise. Yes, two times. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then same as it is, left leg 1, 2, 3. Yes, like this 10 count each leg should be practiced. Okay, ready? Yes, 1, 2, 3. Yes, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And like this, you can 20 times you can practice for the standing TFL stretch. Your body should be stretching for the your shoulders and your leg muscles should be strengthened for the your leg and hands muscles. Muscles should be stretching for the inside the muscles stretch and blood should be fast. Your blood circulation should be fast. Like this you can practice for the stretches. Okay, first one this. Second one, launch and reach. Launch and reach. Okay, good launching position and reach. Second one, yes, right leg stretch your forward and raise your left hand up. Okay, bend your right side, right hand hold your right leg ankle and stretch your right side. Yes. Okay. The same left leg. Yes. Good launching position. Stretch. Yes. Very good. Yes. Back leg should be straight. Stretch, launch. If possible, you can touch your knee. Straight. Yes. Yeah. Stretching exercise. 5. Yes. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Yes. 11. 12. 13. Yes. 14. 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, it's good. Effective of your lower back muscles and your adductor muscles and your upper body, shoulders and neck part should be inside the stretches. Your muscles should be stretching for the this lunging and reach. Launch the leg and upper body should be opposite. You can reach. Okay, this is good. Effective of your stretching your body and flexibility of your upper body and lower body. Okay, good fitness exercise. Yes, next third one, squats leg and kick. Okay, squats leg and kick. Can according to your shoulder width, spread out your shoulder width and good launch pull. Yes, yes. First, third one. Yes, left leg back, kick and come back to, yes, right leg, kick, position and left leg back, kick, position, right leg, kick, position, left leg, kick, position, right leg, kick, position, left leg, kick, position, right leg, kick, position. Yes, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. Third one, squats leg and kick. This is squats movement, very good, effective of your knees and squats movement. Then you go back to stretch your lunge, your leg and forward coming to the, your leg should be forward kick and same as it is lunge position. This is the squat leg kick stretches. Is good effective of your body stretching exercise and knee and free for the knee and thigh muscles and your calf muscles and adductor muscles should be stretching, nicely stretching for the your body strengthen and fitness and your free of your body. Okay, this is good effective of your body stretching exercise. Squats, knee kicks. Third one. Okay, fourth one, knee drive. Fourth one, knee drive. Yes, standing the position, knee drive. Fourth one, yes, standing position. Yes, first right leg can raise, forward bend, raise back. Yes, coming back. Yes, first one. Yes, same as it is. Your left leg rise and coming back to the position, knee up. Okay, 1, balance your body. 2, 3, body straight. 4, 5, slowly you can do. 6, 7, lift your leg straight. 8, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. Fourth one, knee drive is good effective of your back, lower back muscles should be stretches for the nicely gently stretch your lower back muscles and your hip muscles and adductor muscles and thigh and forward. Your shoulder should be stretches for the forward and knee. You can stretch the knee and drive for the your knee. Yes, like this. You can straight above the trunk level up. Okay, if you're coming back above the trunk level, you can raise the leg, knee bend and raise the leg. This is good effective of your body. Yes, nicely stretch your knee and your thigh muscles, calf muscles and your buttock muscles should be stretching and back spinal cords also stretching and your upper body should be flexibility. This is good effective of your body stretching exercise. Fourth one, this is knee drive. Next, fifth one, downward dog position. Yes, to running launch. Downward dog position to running launch. Fifth one, yes, downward dog position. Go to downward dog position. 20 counts. Yes, like this. Downward dog position. Yes. Downward dog position. Yes. Forward. Left leg forward and stretch your chest and neck up. Yes. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Downward position. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. Yeah. This is fifth one. Downward dog position to running lunge. Is good effective of your stretching for your body, lunge movement, and your lower back muscles should be stretched and flexibility. Is this one your dog position, downward dog position to your stretching for the leg should be forward. Okay, like this stretch and your right leg, your right side, the hands outside you can stretch and look forward, and your cardiac muscles and neck muscles also stretching exercise for your body. Good flexibility and blood circulation should be fast, and abdominal stretches, very good abdominal stretches also. This is abdominal muscles. Okay, abdominal muscles also stretch and cardiac muscles also stretching for the this exercise. Okay, stretches exercise you can practice. Okay, next sixth one, last one, tabletop bridge. Okay, bridge course, tabletop bridge. Yes, you can sit on the mat or floor. Your hand should be sidewards. Nicely balance your body. Yes, tabletop position like this, neck back. Okay, yes, 1, yes, 2, stretch the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 18, 19, 20. Yes. Relax. Yes. Tabletop. Yes. Tabletop bridge is good. Effective of your body. Stretching for the your lower back muscles should be stretched. Yes. Lower back muscles means spinal cord should be good. Flexibility of your spinal cord and neck part and lower hip muscles and your glute muscles also nicely stretching, and your calf muscles and heels also stretching for the this exercise is very good, effective of your body for the fitness and stretching exercise. This all the 6 exercise we can practice for the home. Yes, very good, effective of your body. And careful children. Thank you. Have a nice day.